Alright, she just landed, she's back. Hallelujah. Best flyer from the small ones, from the young birds. So you're gonna give it some food. Birds are out. And we've got about 7 or 8 birds up there, like dots. That's the tippler coming down. Like there's 7 or 8 birds up there, like dots. They're flying really nice. They're flying like butterflies, man. They're flying really, really good. Can't see them right now. They're flying good. There's the tip. It's coming down. I'm happy. The best young fly came back. Gonna give that a week rest. You know how it is when you get your bird back. You're up, you're happy, you're smiling. So we're gonna give it some food. And let's see what these guys are. Where are these guys? There's the tippler still going around. Missing before, they're up like giant specks up there. Crazy. They were flying on the spot for a while, like butterflies, but I don't know where they went now. Is it the tippler? I think it's a tippler. Yeah. Alright, let's give this bird some food. Alright. Drank, just gonna eat. That's crazy. That's the difference in having the birds more mature. And definitely that line at the age of getting a bit older is very smart. That's the easy line creation. Crazy. So I've got birds out. Nothing better than having birds out. Birds up like specks that you can't even see. They're definitely going to fly for a few hours. So I'm gonna leave the young ones out today all day. It's like about 30 young ones already.